Yeah, people say, you know, it's a hurricane Milton, you see me? You know, it's a hurricane Milton, and we have a little lady down here, so people, where she homeless and things, so, you know, so I carry some food go get her. You don't know, so we have to look out for each other, you see me? I have to look out for each other. So, that is it, people. Carry some food go get her and check in on her, see what go on, you see me? Yeah. I don't know, can see. No reach rate, you know, people, but it's about the land, man. Yeah, somebody say, check in on the lady, man, and make sure she's alright. That's me, boy, I tell her. Wish we could have helped everybody, people. The people that have money and things, they don't look out for people. See, little poor people like me, we have the good heart, you know, people, I tell you. Rich people, them don't look out for nobody, brother. I drive past a lady and I say, yo, God no. It's a big woman and I don't know why situation where she reaching. You see what I say? So I always look out for her people. Anytime I have some food, I bring it come get her. Any clothes on, I always bring it. You see me? Right now I have some snacks in my bag and I have a plate of food. I can't go get her before the hurricane kick off, you see it? And I tell you something, I continue to check on her car. I don't know where I go on. When the hurricane come in, still I'll check on her and get her some food, said here. Yeah, man. I know she'll go glad to see me. She must have said, oh, Skoolaz not come check her here to the food. Oh, God. See her wait for me. Yeah, man. See her. Boy, mommy, how you going to manage in the hurricane, mommy? How you going to manage in the hurricane?
I know.
Hurricane. How you going to manage?
Someone's picking me up.
Eh?
Someone's picking me up.
Somebody going to pick you up?
Yeah.
Your family?
Uh-huh.
Oh, you call them?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So what time do they come?
Okay.
What time they coming? Is that some soup?
4:30.
Some soup?
Okay.
Yeah.
You'll be here at 8.
What's your name again?
Carolyn.
Carolyn?
Yeah.
Oh, so what you do? Call them on the phone and let them know you're coming?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Thank you.
You know, I always look out for you, man. So, I say the hurricane I come, I don't know what go on. And so I say make sure I can check in for you, you know?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bottle of water and thing.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Yeah, but drink the soup before the soup.
I will.
Soup.
Thanks.
It's a ramen, no, so you know, so if I drink the soup before the.
Okay, I will.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, what time you say them come? 8 o'clock?
Yeah.
So when them pick you up 8 o'clock, them will bring you back here, so?
Yeah, I'll come back.
Oh, so them just keep you after the storm? So them can't keep you, on go for the storm, them can't keep you?
Huh?
Them can't keep you no longer than the storm, or just for the storm?
Can you keep me longer?
Yeah, they can't keep
Oh,
you.
yeah, I'm not coming back until after the storm.
After the storm?
Yeah.
Where you from?
Cocoa Beach.
Cocoa Beach?
Yeah.
In America here?
Huh?
That's in America? Cocoa Beach?
Uh-huh. Where the space shuttle goes on.
Oh. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, but me always look out for you, so you know, say, we say me not see you back till next week again.
Okay.
Next week again, you coming back next week?
Yeah.
Alright,
I'm here.
I'm gonna look food for you. So your phone charge and thing?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, okay. Alright, then, mommy, I'll see you next week then, okay?
Okay.
Drink up the soup before the hot.
Well,
I'm sure you are going. Yeah, man, because you know me always look out for you, you know.
thank you.
I wonder how you are going to survive in a hurricane.
Yes, Mom, it's good.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. And you remember my name?
No, what is it?
Skoolaz. Skoolaz. Remember that name there, yeah?
Okay, I will.
Yeah. Yeah, hold on. Let me put right there now, yeah. That's some ramen, you know. Ramen noodle. Yeah.
Sir.
Alright, mama.
Have a nice
Alright. Take care, yeah? Yeah. Alright.